If you're in the custom ROM community from a long time, you might probably see this error many times while using some custom ROM, especially OEM, etc. For example, I'm using GSI here, and if you're able to see this kind of error called this, there's an internal problem with your device, contact your manufacturer for details. Most of the times I saw this error while using Oxygen OS ROM on my device. So yes, if you're also seeing this error in your custom ROM, you can simply remove this very easily. I found the solution on XDA, and as always, all thanks and all credits goes to the developer. By the way, I'm using it in Android 13 GSI. If you want to take a look at the Android 13 beta 2 review, I have a video available which are the new changes, etc. Make sure to check out that. And yes, Magisk version is working perfectly fine. Android 13 beta 2 rooted, yes, you can root that very easily by using Magisk version 24.23, maybe the latest version which I'm using right now. Okay, so that was the bug which I was talking about. That was the issue, how you can fix that very easily by just using a Magisk module. I'm using Magisk version 24.3 while making this video. This is the latest version so far I'm using, and how you can install that, how you can simply fix that thing very easily, by the way. But still, I need to show you. If I move the module section, this is the module which we are talking about. All system dialog error disable all system dialog alerts after boot, which means sometimes you reboot your device, every time you'll see that kind of error which I just shown you at the starting of the video. That's why I've installed this module, and this is why it is working perfectly fine. I just removed that module, and after removing, this is the error which I was talking about. And the previous one at the starting of the video, that was just a screenshot, and now after disabling the module, the error which I got here is this. So yes, how you can remove that very easily. As I just mentioned, it's just a Magisk module which will not give you any kind of issues. And if you're having any kind of issues while installing, make sure to comment below. I will try to help you as much as I can. We are here, Magisk. Click on install from storage. Simply click this file. It will not take much time to install on a device, so make sure to wait. Make sure you have proper patience, and here just wait for some time. By the way, this will take some time. This will take a lot of time, maybe more than 3 or 4 minutes, so make sure you have proper patience. You can check out the time at the status bar. It's 7:26. It will take some time, so make sure to wait. And after installation of this module, don't need to do configure, you don't need to do anything. You simply need to reboot your device and you're good to go. Very simple thing. And as just mentioned, this is by Blast Go, and it's available on XDA. You can find out these kind of things on XDA very easily. Actually, I've just paused and resumed because it will take some time. So it took some time, and let me show you the time once. At 7:28, it's almost 3 minutes. It was 7:26 at the starting. We have 7:28. It's almost 7:29 now, and this is how it's done. As you can see, 7:29, it's done. And very simple things. This is all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Until then, goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.